Yo, YouTube, bring out another POV. Got my intakes on, man. And I ain't gonna lie, like I've been playing around with the RPMs, and I feel like I was hating at first, like, cause my daily vehicle for work is a diesel van. I've been driving that for work, and if you know diesel, you know those diesels when you like tune and delete them, those things, their turbos whistle mad loud, but like on this car, it's not that that loud. Like I thought it'd be louder than what it is. Like y'all let me like here, y'all can hear it. You can subtly hear it. There's nothing too crazy, bro. Right? You for real? Bro, I had my like GoPro hidden up here. It fell down though. You serious? Damn, I gotta disconnect this now. Just let it hang. I had to take it down. It was just bothering me. But yeah, man. It's Saturday, man. Long week at work. Bro, I'm lying. It wasn't even that bad. I'm doing body work right now, so it's cool. It's cool though, cause I'm learning how to like paint and like how to sand down stuff. And I didn't know how. Damn, I can't talk. I didn't know how to do none of that. It's a cool experience. See if y'all can hear the turbos downshifting. I'm gonna have to replay the video and see if I can really hear it on video. But I plan on, I'm gonna get some mics so I can hook the mic up in the engine bay so y'all can really hear the turbo spools when I'm driving. I feel like it'll be a good experience. But this is more like a raw. What you guys hear on camera, that's kind of probably what's gonna sound like on video. Yeah, I mean, you could definitely hear it, but I feel like once you get an exhaust and like you get tuned, you don't really hear it. I'm on 2.5 housing. My MAF housing is 2.5, the inlet. So maybe when I move up to like 3-inch, it might be a little louder. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. For real. I'll give y'all some clips with the windows rolled down. See if y'all can hear it better. Like that. But man, I got a chill, calm day. I'm about to go get a cut. Y'all see that Corvette? I've been thinking about getting one. I'm not gonna lie. Cool little project. So I don't gotta do nothing crazy on this. Cause honestly, to make power on the VR30 is kind of buns. But it's just compared to all the other platforms you can make horsepower on, I don't think the VR30 is what you're really gonna want to do that, you know? I've heard of guys, I don't know nobody personally. Actually, I've talked to a couple dudes that got a lot of horse, like they got like at least 7, maybe 800 horsepower. It's not cheap. Like to make a VR30 quick, I want to say it's at least gonna be more than close to like 10,000 compared to you get like a LS. You can make a lot more horsepower for not as much spending that much on the VR30. But I mean, I guess it comes down to like if you really are an enthusiast for the VR30. I like the Q50. I like VQs. I've already made a video about this. If I was to get another Q50, I'd just get a 3.7 and boost it. That's just me though. I wouldn't buy a VR30 again. Just because of how much scares, man. Giving me pregnancy scares and stuff. That's what this one is out. How y'all feel about it? This person passed by. Be a good civilian. How y'all feel about it though? That's boosted 6. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. I gotta go. I gotta go. I got my haircut at 4:30. Come on, come on, come on. Don't jerk your car like that. You're gonna ruin your transmission. Come on. Damn. Bro, I don't discriminate, but that girl was big. I gotta stop playing before I end up like that. But yeah, man, that's the boosted 6. And I hear boosted 6 is like the loudest intake on the market. So if this is like the loudest that there is on the market, if you plan on getting any, if you're going for sound, right, because intake on the VR30 isn't gonna really give you any benefit. Me personally, and I think it's the stock airbox was designed so well on the VR30 that it doesn't really need an intake. It's more for like personal, because his cars heat soak a lot. His cars heat soak a lot. So if you want an intake on your VR30, it's more for preference and sound, not so much really good horsepower gains. It's probably like a little bit horsepower gains, but nothing crazy. Not for $100 worth, because I think you could go still custom route, but still I wouldn't trust that. Like on the market, reputable brands, I think the lowest you're looking like $300, $400, and only to get like what, 2 horsepower. Like it's not enough. It's not worth it. It's not worth the waste. Just that was extra $200. Like honestly, bro, I could have gone full downpipe. Like now that I'm really thinking about it, if I would have not bought these intakes, I got lower downpipes. But I want to be more conservative. I can probably reach 500 horsepower with full downpipe, catted full downpipes, with a good exhaust and a good tune heat exchanger, and maybe a low pressure fuel or flex fuel kit. I could easily reach like 500 horsepower. But it's kind of like sketchy right there. I'm trying to stay more conservative, so that's why I just got lower downpipes. But like, yeah, if you want to really make horsepower gains, skip the intake, save that money you would have spent on the intake, and just buy the full downpipe, because that's where the like real horsepower gain is. It sounds cool. I'm getting used to it. Like I've been playing with the RPMs gradually. I used to drive, the way I'm driving my car right now is the way I used to drive my old car. And long story short, I don't even want to say it, bruh. Just, it's not the way you're supposed to be driving your car. It's really bad for it. To like really hear it, your intakes. And that's why I'm not really surprised. Most people that come like with blown motors are people with just intakes a month for delete. I'm just saying, man, like, if you properly build your car and maintain it, I mean, you're not gonna really suffer much. I mean, the VR30 is a good car, you know, with good maintenance. Ouch, bruh. I got like herpes on my finger. Now I don't really got herpes, but like these little bumps. I don't know if they're like heat bumps or what. But yeah, man, if y'all do enjoy these POV drives, like and subscribe. I really do enjoy it. I really do. It makes me, you know, it motivates me for real to really post more. I really, damn, bro, I don't even got X, man. I'm mad itchy. It's this heat. I really do need to post more though. I really been lacking a lot, but there's no excuse. But if y'all really do like this POV drive, man, like and subscribe. Damn, bro, my barber's waiting for me at 4:30. It's 3:59. I'm not that far. I gotta do something. I'm just doing a little errand before I get there. But yeah, man, I'm probably gonna end the video here. Damn, I don't know what to say. I don't know how to end this video off. Subscribe for more videos, man.